In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to your Skool Community course. We'll walk through this step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to upload or embed a video inside one of your classroom pages. Make sure you're logged into your Skool account before you start, so you can follow along in real time. First, head over to your Skool dashboard. This is the main home screen you see after logging in, where you can access your community, classroom, members, and settings. If you're in another area of the site, you can usually get back to the dashboard by clicking your community name or the main logo in the top navigation bar. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option labeled Classroom and click on it. The classroom area is where all your courses and lessons live. Think of it as your content library for your community. Here, you'll see a list of all the courses you've created or have access to. Next, choose the specific course where you want to add a video. Click on the course title to open it. Inside that course, you'll see the different modules or pages that make up your curriculum. Browse through and open the page or lesson where you want the video to appear. On that page, look for a small pen or pencil icon. This icon usually represents Edit. Click on the pen icon to open the editor for that specific page. This will allow you to change the text, add media, and update the structure of your lesson. Inside the editor, you'll see a formatting toolbar. Among the options, find and click on the video icon. This is the tool that lets you insert a video into your content. When you click it, a small window or panel will open with options for adding your video. Here you have two main choices. You can paste a video URL into the URL field, for example from a hosting platform like YouTube or Vimeo, if your video is already online. Make sure the link is correct and publicly accessible or properly shared. Alternatively, you can upload a file directly from your computer by clicking the option that says or select file. This will open your file browser where you can locate and select the video you want to add. Keep in mind that larger video files may take longer to upload, so give it a moment if needed. Once your video is linked or uploaded and you're happy with how it looks in the editor, scroll down and click on Save. This step is crucial because it publishes your changes to the live classroom page. After saving, you can preview the lesson to confirm the video is displaying correctly and is playable for your members. And that's all you need to do to add a video to your Skool Community course.